What are we going to get into today? Well, this is by request from a lot of friends. Moonshine Cherries. And like a lot of these recipes are so easy, but this has to almost be one of the easiest to do. I bought maraschino cherries, 4 pounds, 10 ounces. Alright, bought them off Amazon. I think it's like 20 bucks. So I should get at least 6 pints out of it, and I'll put these in pints because I like to give them away. So, but first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Well, today is Moonshine Wednesday, right? Alright, like I said, this is so easy to make, but it tastes so darn good, and it is a treat that people like. So all we're going to do is we're going to take these maraschino cherries, if I get it open. We'll try to get it open. Dang. They didn't want me to get in here. What if I had fingernails? Ah. There we go. There we go. We're getting there now. Alright. All we're going to do is open these cherries up. And we want to drain all the juice out of it. But don't throw it away. Don't throw it away. No, 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 no. So, just drain all the cherries out. Alright. Well, so what we want to do is we want to divide these cherries up in the jars. Get this out of the way. But we don't want to fill them up because you got to have the good juice in there. So we're going to divide it up between these 6 jars till they're about equal. You know, if you give your friends a jar of this, they'll be very happy. I know I would be. But I can't give them all away. Alright, we're getting there. Like I said, just divide all the cherries up between all the jars, just so they're relatively equal. Oops. Everybody seems to be loving Moonshine Wednesdays. I'll be honest with you, like I said before, I'm having a lot of fun with this, and I get a lot good to drink. Almost got this part of it. Yeah, it does a pretty good job filling them jars up though. Okay. I can get rid of that. Alright, so here we got our jars. And what we want to do is, all that juice we saved, hey, I'm going to mix in 1 quart, and this is 100 proof Sean like we've been using. I want to mix that in. Okay, get this out of the way. And fill the jars up. And try not to spill it. Tell you what, this ain't old pour. We're getting there. All right. Because that liquid is fantastic to drink in itself. Okay, there we go. Now, the only thing we got left to do is put some lids on it. Okay, alright, that is our, I guess some people call them cherry bombs. That is our maraschino, how do you say that? Maraschino cherries, whatever. Let's give it, Now, these cherries haven't had time to soak up that shine yet, but very good. The only thing I had left to do is rinse the jars off because they are sticky. Okay. You can't get much easier than that. And you hand somebody that jar, you got a friend there. Okay? So, with that being done, you gotta love that. I see bubbles there. It's soaking up that alcohol already. Okay. Last thing I got to say is thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. You gotta love that, don't you?